Well, hello there. Welcome back to another video from the Wellness Collaborative. Today, we're going to be diving into one of my favorite topics, productivity and organization, with a tool that has been an absolute game changer for both my business and my client's business. What is this wonderful tool, you ask? The name of it is Notion. Today, we're going to be exploring 4 powerful ways that Notion can help streamline your business. Managing tasks and projects, to storing processes, resources, helping you better manage your clients, and making content creation a breeze, Notion has got you covered. As an online business owner myself, I know that the struggle is real. We can often find ourselves juggling multiple projects, clients, and tasks simultaneously, and trying to keep all those plates spinning without them totally crashing to the ground is such a challenge. But fear not, Notion is here to help you bring a little more calm to this chaos with some much needed structure and order. So grab your virtual pen and paper because we're about to uncover 4 game-changing solutions for your business. Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm an online business manager and Notion systems specialist. If you are new around here and you're liking what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video so that you don't miss out on any of my videos that help you achieve more and stress less in your online business. Before we get started, let me know in the comments what niche or what service you provide. I want to know who I'm talking to make sure that my future videos are helpful and relevant. All right, the first way Notion can help you streamline your business is helping you manage tasks and projects. Say goodbye to the scattered to-do list everywhere, all over on Post-it notes, and those endless email chains. With Notion, you can create a customizable task and project management database that allows you to set deadlines, provide resources, and assign responsibilities all in one centralized hub. It's like having your own personal assistant minus the hefty paycheck. Next up, Notion helps you manage your content creation. Now, we all know in the online world that content is king, but managing all those ideas, drafts, publishing schedules can be a real pain in the butt. Notion simplifies this process with versatile databases and integrations. Whether you're brainstorming new social media ideas or planning out your new launch, I've even recently discovered an integration that allows you to publish your content directly from Notion, saving you hours in the publishing process. I'll be making a future video on that, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. The next way Notion can help your business is by managing your processes and resources. We know that every successful online business relies on efficient workflows and organized resources to run their business. Notion acts as your digital command center, allowing you to document processes, store important files, and collaborate with your team members all within one single platform. It's kind of like having a secret weapon for boosting your productivity. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about client management. From initial inquiries to ongoing support, Notion can help you stay on top of your client interactions. With customizable databases and powerful tagging features, you can track progress, record notes, and provide a personalized and exceptional experience that will keep clients coming back for more and have them referring you to all of their friends. So if you're ready to take your online business to a new level of peace and productivity, then it's time to get started in Notion. You can check out Notion for free using the link in the description below, or you can download my Sustainable Success Systems Starter Kit. This Notion template contains all of the systems that we talked about today and will revolutionize the way you run your online business, along with improving your entrepreneurial mental health. You can get instant access in the links below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your productivity, streamline your business, and achieve sustainable success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.